is from Ayodhya. Ram Ki Nagri was in full splendor last week for the grand ceremony at the Ram Temple. 22 months after leading the Pran Pratishtha, Prime Minister Modi returned to hoist the saffron flag on the temple spire. But even this sacred moment draw political criticism. This time, though, Jagat Guru Shankaracharya has made it clear and form a rebuttal to all the critics that he has given. During an interview with Group Editor-in-Chief Navika Kumar, Jagat Guru Shankaracharya has said that God has always been present in Ayodhya and that he found no faults at all in Pran Pratishtha that was performed in January 2024. Listening to what he said.
अयोध्या में भगवान सदैव रहते थे, हैं अभी भी है। तो इसीलिए जब पहला जो टेंट था उसमें भी भगवान थे और जो नया मंदिर बन रहा था उसमें भी भगवान है। उसी जगह में मंदिर बन रहा था तो वहां भगवान सदैव रहते हैं। मतलब ऐसा शास्त्रों में कहा गया है कि जब मंदिर पूर्ण नहीं होता, उसमें पूर्ण मंदिर का जो पूर्ण निर्माण होता है उसके बाद उसमें प्राण प्रतिष्ठा होना चाहिए, ऐसा कहा गया है पुराणों में। वो तो है, परंतु हमें ऐसा लगता है कि अयोध्या की जो बात है वो तो अलग है। इस जगह में हमें ऐसा सोचना नहीं चाहिए, ऐसा हमें लगता है। क्योंकि जैसा अभी कहा
प्राण प्रतिष्ठा जो हुई थी पिछले साल, उसमें कोई
हमें ऐसा लगता है कि उसमें कोई उसमें शास्त्र विरुद्ध कुछ रूप में कुछ नहीं है, ऐसा हमें लगता है।
More on this, let me go across to my colleague Pragya. Pragya, during Pran Pratishtha 2024, you were also present there in Ayodhya. There was a lot of criticism over the incomplete structure, saying that the puja cannot be performed when the mandir is incomplete. And now Jagat Guru Shankaracharya coming to the fore and saying that all the Vedic rituals were followed. Give us more details about this.
Well, there were many saints and seers who were present during the Pran Pratishtha, and not just that, I was also there when Dhwajarohan ceremony took place also, and everyone was very happy. In fact, what also saints and seers told us during the Pran Pratishtha is that if you have completed the Sanctum Sanctorum, the mandir, the temple is assumed complete, and this is probably the reason why Pran Pratishtha took place after the Garbhagriha was completed. And in fact, many would say that it is the emotions and the sentiments that you have and the love and faith that you have in Lord Rama that will overlook all the all the rituals, all the traditions, and all the norms that are associated with the completion of a temple. And if you look at the images also, you would see saints and seers crying, because that was the emotion that many had. In fact, during the Dhwaja Samaroh also, many were teary-eyed, because that is the sentiment of the people of the country. And in fact, everyone would say that Lord Rama is more attached to those who love him rather than the rituals and all. And if you look at the composition of the Sri Ramjam Tesh Trust, many are seers. Mahantra Nitya Gopal Das Ji is also the president, is also the saint and seer, and Swami Vishwa Prasanna Tesh Maharaj is also a member, and not just that, Yug Purush Paramanand Giri Maharaj, Govind Giri Maharaj is the treasurer. So Swami Vasudev Nand is also a member. So when the top seers are the members of Teeth Kshetra Trust, you cannot just go on to say that there are no rituals that were not followed. There are some also options when you complete the Sanctum Sanctorum. That means that the temple is complete, and this is exactly what has been told by Shankaracharya to our group editor Navika Kumar. It's exactly
Absolutely.
That was a controversy that was not needed at the time, and in fact it became a sort of political rather than religious objections to the completion of the temple.
Absolutely. In clear words, he has said that no faults in Pran Pratishtha performed in January 2024. Thanks so much, Pragya, for getting us those details. Now, let's remind you what opposition leaders had said when the Pran Pratishtha took place in January of 2024. Then Congress MP Rahul Gandhi, in fact, claimed that it now seemed as if Prime Minister and the government would decide who is allowed to visit the mandir. Samajwadi Party Chief Akhilesh Yadav also hoped that everyone would now walk on the path of Ram. And another Congress leader, Harish Rawat, had accused the Bharatiya Janata Party of politicizing the event, saying that, in his words, the party chief campaigner had performed the Pran Pratishtha. Have a look at what really happened back in 2024 when Pran Pratishtha took place.
हमें वहाँ इनवाइट किया गया, अब एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन कह रहा है नहीं जा सकते हैं, तो मैं पूछ रहा हूँ क्यों नहीं जा सकते हैं क्या गलती की है मैंने? मैं बस हाथ जोड़ने जाना चाहता हूँ, रिस्पेक्ट पे करना चाहता हूँ। मेरे रास्ते में इनवाइट किया है गवर्नमेंट एंड मोदी जी ने डिसाइड मंदिर कौन जा सकता है और कब नहीं जा सकता। शायद आज सिर्फ एक व्यक्ति मंदिर में जा सकता है।
वो जो रास्ता भगवान श्री राम ने दिखाया, मर्यादा पुरुषोत्तम राम कहे गए। हमें उम्मीद है कि समाज और देश जो मर्यादा पुरुषोत्तम जी ने राम राज्य की कल्पना की थी, जहां गरीब दुखी न रहे, उस रास्ते पर चलेंगे सब।
आप उन लोगों को नहीं भूल सकते हैं जो लोग हमेशा राममय रहे। गांधी ने तो देश की आजादी की लड़ाई में रघुपति राघव राजा राम इसके साथ प्रारंभ की जो है। उन्होंने पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू और जयप्रकाश जी को कहा कि आप रामलीलाओं में जाइए और राम जो है स्वतंत्रता का मार्ग दिखाएंगे। ये कहा कि आपने उस पवित्र क्षण का राजनीतिकरण कर दिया है। जो चुनाव के मुख्य प्रचारक होंगे और हैं इस समय भी, अब तो चुनाव शुरू हो गया ना, तो वो उनसे आप प्राण प्रतिष्ठा करवा रहे हैं और उनके बगल में मोहन भागवत जी को खड़ा कर रहे हैं। एक जो सर्वपक्षी स्वरूप दिया जा सकता था वो नहीं दिया गया। महामहिम राष्ट्रपति को बुला देते, शंकराचार्यों से करवा देते, अखाड़ा परिषद के चेयरमैन से करवा देते, किसी ऐसे व्यक्ति से करवा देते जिसके अगल बगल पक्ष और विपक्ष दोनों खड़े हो जाए।
And it was not just during the Pran Pratishtha 2024 that the opposition brought politics into the Ram Mandir. Even last week when the Prime Minister hoisted the flag at the temple, India bloc leaders were quick to dismiss this as a marketing exercise. UP Congress Chief Ajay Rai accused the government of doing the branding in the name of Lord Ram, while the Samajwadi Party MP claimed that the Prime Minister's visit to Ayodhya was simply to promote the Bharatiya Janata Party. Have a look.
नहीं, निश्चित भगवान राम की पूजा हम सब लोग करते हैं और हम सब भगवान राम के उपासक हैं, पूजा करते हैं। पर जिस तरीके की सरकार मार्केटिंग कर रही है, जिस तरीके से एडवर्टाइज करती है, मुझे लगता है केवल और केवल ये धर्म के नाम पे लोगों को गुमराह कर रहे हैं। भगवान राम की पूजा आराधना हर व्यक्ति करता है, पर बार बार एक वहाँ पर ले जाकर मार्केटिंग करना, मैं समझता हूँ कि सरकार केवल और केवल मार्केटिंग कर रही है और उसको पूरी तरीके से लोगों के बीच में लाकर केवल और केवल दिखावा कर रही है।
मैं उनका अभिनंदन करता हूं, स्वागत करता हूं और प्रभु श्री राम के नागरिकों को, देवतुल्य जनता को मैं बधाई देता हूं और उनका भी अभिनंदन करता हूं और आशा करता हूं कि प्रधानमंत्री जी के आने से जो अयोध्या में लोगों के घर उजाड़े गए हैं उनको फिर से बसाया जाएगा। आशा करता हूं कि जो किसानों की भूमि जमीन करोड़ों की चोरियों में ली गई है, उन्हें उचित मुआवजा देने का दरवाजा खुलेगा।
Politics surrounding the 2024 Pran Pratishtha began, in fact, way before the ceremony itself. Several Congress leaders openly criticized the event in the days leading up to it. About 10 days prior, Congress leader Digvijay Singh argued that the Pran Pratishtha cannot be performed in the incomplete temple. But are the Congress's objection rooted in dharma or in the politics? While Digvijay Singh argued that Pran Pratishtha should not be performed in the incomplete temple, Mahant Satyendra Das countered that the sanctorum was already ready for the ceremony. So this is in fact the top focus story here on Times Now. We'll be tracking this very closely, and now shifting our